from Campbell's Freedom Farm. Stefan and Taylor, and today we're going to make a recipe that I've created. It is called Shisho, if I say that correct, Boss Rolls. Yeah. They're amazing. It's comparable to a spring roll, but we don't use noodles. We use rice, and some of the other stuff is replaced. Oh, you want to show up?
And this is what we're going to wrap it with. The right here, it's going to be wrapped with that.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do, we have sliced onion. We need to saute it.
Yeah, that might be a little hard, but
it is hard.
But I know how to cook really good.
Yeah, you do. Actually, you made a recipe for Lowe, didn't you?
Yeah.
No, you made the pasta.
You did the one.
Okay.
I know really good. I can do that onion because it's really hard on my eyes.
Okay. We also have sliced cucumber. This is like a Asian cucumber, so it doesn't have a lot of seeds. Half we're going to put some in, the other half we're not. Now,
and
Shisho, which is high in iron and calcium. Everybody says different. Okay, Stefan's going to show you how he cuts it.
This is the easy way. Yeah.
Okay, now you roll it all together. Do you want to cut it now? Really finely? Roll your fingers. Good job. Come over here so people can see you. Okay.
And why are we do fingers with the job?
Because you roll your fingers back. So you never put your fingers out. Roll them in like a knuckle. Okay. We'll cut this a little bit too.
I got that one.
Okay. Now I want to save just a little. Well, we don't need to save it. I want to keep a little for the topping.
Yep.
Okay.
And it might come out like our bad recipes, like on our wheat and or you white.
Right. It is amazing. Okay. We're going to saute real quick and then we'll be right back. Basically, we're sauteing the onions and then we're going to add sticky rice.
Yep. Sticky rice is yummy. But not good when it's frozen in the freezer or the
it does freeze very well.
And the microwave might be the
Alright, we'll be right back.
One.
Hey everyone, we're back. Okay, tell them what you did.
We cooled it off and let me try it.
Yeah, so what we do is you saute the rice and I use olive oil. And then with the onion, and then I add a little, I use pink salt, and then a little touch of the red oil. So now, after it cools mostly, it doesn't have to be totally cool, but warm. Then we're going to add shisho. I call it Shisho. He calls it shisho.
Yep.
Okay, ready? So add a little.
A tiny bit like this.
Keep going. Okay.
And then a little like that.
Now, most of the flavor is going to come from the Shisho.
Me too. You might not understand, but
so it really has to add a lot.
Yeah.
And before we roll these, we really want to make sure it tastes good. Because once you roll them, there's no adding anything later on. The only way to save it is to make something to dip it in, which is good. I like that anyway, but usually you don't. Okay, so what we're going to do is roll these. In a minute, we'll get everything ready and we'll be right back.
Yeah.
All right, we're back.
Yeah.
And Stefan's going to show you how to roll them.
Yeah, go get the thing, do the like that, and then make a snake like this, but don't roll it. It will fall right apart.
And tell them how it's a diamond.
And it's a diamond because if it wasn't a diamond, we couldn't roll it. If it was a square, it would be too long.
Yes, and it wouldn't stick, so pull back.
Pull back and
roll once.
Roll one and then
Seam.
seam. And then we're gonna make an envelope.
Make an envelope.
Envelope. I only
Seam.
seam. And envelope.
Okay, roll once. Okay, now what do you have to do?
Water. Only do it on the edge. If we didn't do the water, it would not stick.
It would not stay together and it would just fall apart during the frying.
And I did 5 of them.
So what you need to do basically is use water. You don't need egg. Some people use egg, but a lot in the Asian countries, they just use water. And it works very well. You don't have that heavy egg. And then it's done. Okay. All right. Let me put this back. Do you want to talk to him while I...
And the important part on our video, we always use a camera. But not a real camera, like a video camera. Like on every video we watch, like Ryan, you might be on him. He on your tablet or phone. Sometimes your phone makes him up on a Ryan. Yeah. You got the both Ryan and Ryan.
Do you want to show them how thin this is? Here, take this one and show. Now, when you do these spring rolls, we tried the ones from all the stores. You want to be able to see through it. These are really thin.
You can't even
You don't want them really thick.
Yeah, and we want to try another one.
Okay, so on mine's a little different. Oh, there's enough for you to do one more if you want.
I can do one.
So on mine, so you make a triangle. I'm throwing a couple pieces of cucumber in here. Some people like it, some don't. Then you're gonna go part way through to the triangles. Wait, you gotta stay on my way. And then you pull back, roll once, make a seam.
Seam, and you know why you make the seam?
Yeah.
Because if you didn't make a seam, it wouldn't roll.
It wouldn't roll. It pushes it down better, and it makes an envelope.
Yeah.
And then you just roll once.
Yeah.
And then the envelope lid,
Like painting.
the seam.
It's
Yeah,
just like painting.
yeah, you paint,
With your hand.
and then you roll.
But
Okay,
don't-
you could do one more.
But don't do the whole thing. The whole thing will be bad because only do the triangle because it wouldn't fit.
Okay, you need to put cucumbers in yours.
Why?
Because we don't have all the rice. Okay, put your rice in what's left.
And
Let's see how much it has.
And the mold, this thing, did it all eat.
Okay, here you go.
Like,
Oh,
we,
there's enough for one. Okay, here you go.
we already have cotton candy. You might could.
He loves cotton candy.
Ooh,
And marshmallows on the bonfire.
a
Okay,
marshmallow.
put a couple of these on, a few of these.
What about the
Okay.
And you know why you didn't make a big one? If you make a big one, like as big as a house, then how much dough will you need? You need about 1,600 gallons of dough. You might could people made jelly. There might be jelly food
Wait, let's do it together.
and
though.
or we
Pull
food,
back,
and the pull back and when
roll,
the roll.
make a seam.
And you might have put people made a lot of cool things in pool, like jelly pool, right?
Oh yeah, they got some crazy stuff. How many times do you roll?
2.
Once.
1.
Okay, now put your seam in, or your water.
They call it even more fun than like a Louie. And then a little yolk on the top, a big yolk, and then you'll roll.
Roll it tight, yep. And that's it. Okay,
Good.
so what we did, stay away from here. No, don't look. So we use vegetable oil. We dislike vegetable oil, but for frying, you need something that handles the high heat. Olive oil, it's gonna bubble. It's just not gonna work out well. So unfortunately, you have to use vegetable oil. So I'm gonna do the frying because he's not allowed to do that. So I'm gonna start them and then I'll show you the last one. If I could turn this off. Stefan's are done. So what I do is I put it in a wire basket and then as they drain, move them up so they drip. Every one of his seams held. So let's see how the parents go. So it's very quick. Everything is cooked really. And can you see how it doesn't go over? I think you're my way, so I can flip. 1, 2, yep, can't flip. I can't find my metal tongs. Okay, you don't want to use the rubber ones because they'll go bad. So, Stefan, do you want to put this on the tray? Really pretty? Okay, and then mine are done. Put them all on there. No, don't try it yet. Put it on there. It's got to cool, honey. Okay, so we're going to finish this. Okay, my seams are holding too. But for a 6-year-old to have his seams hold, that's pretty good. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, Stefan is trying them. And now are they thumbs up? So next time, try the Shisho Boss Rolls.
They are really good. They're perfectly crunchy too.
Yeah. And for a 6-year-old to have a seam that didn't go, that's pretty good. So, thanks again. This is dedicated to Lowe's again. Take care.
Without any sauce first.